All right, so if you're still working on your name, that's fine. You can come back to it in a minute, but let's jump to the blue paper. And on one side, we're gonna do snowman. So most snowman, if you're making them, you're going to do 3 circles, right? So you're going to do the largest circle on the bottom. So I would turn your paper portrait way and do a fairly large circle. If it goes off the paper, not a big deal. So I'm going to use, what do I want to use, 60? Yeah, let's go 60. On the one side of the blue. And then for the second circle, you can either overlap them or you can figure out and measure the distance by figuring out where you want it to, the center to be. So if I want my center here, I'm going to adjust it until I get that point right there. So mine's about 25. And if you adjust it till this part of the circle shows between in the hole, then that's where you spin it. Okay? And then for the top, I'm going to use a smaller one. Let me see. If I can get about 15, that'd be great. So if I just adjust it.
Making 3 circles.
Yeah, you're going to make 3 circles and then you're going to decorate it. You're going to give them a corncob pipe and a button nose and 2 eyes made out of coal, right? Oh. All right, so give your snowman a hat. Give him some arms made out of sticks. Decorate it however you like your. Give him a carrot nose. And then flip it over to the back. On the back, you're going to do a Mickey Mouse. And you can decorate your Mickey Mouse any way you want to. So I would do a big circle, probably in the 70 range. And then 2 ears. Try and remember what number you use so your ears are the same size, right? Or close. And then if you want to make a girl, you can make a Minnie Mouse. You can make a skater mouse. Whatever kind of mouse you would like.